All right, this is the GeoGebra slope field plotter. So right here is where you define your f prime, that's x plus y. And this is where you define your x min, x max, y min, and y max. Okay, you can change the density of the slope fields by adjusting this bar right here. So moving it to the right gives you more slope fields, but it may be a little bit more confusing to see that way. So I've set it to where I have it right now. And the green curve is a particular solution corresponding to a particular point, 0, 3. So if we start there, the slope at 0, 3 is going to be 0 plus 3, which is 3. Right, that's going to be positive, so it moves the solution curve upwards, but it stays positive, so the solution keeps going, continues to increase, and keeps continuing to increase at a greater rate because each time you go up, the slope is also increasing. If you go to the left, at some point the slope is 0. If the solution curve is 0, that's going to be where x equals negative y. Along that curve, you're going to go to 0, and then it looks like it's almost a straight line. Okay? You can change the point by clicking on it. And let's put 0, negative 2. And you'll see a totally different behavior. And once again, you can analyze it through the sign of the slope field.